Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG, because I think we've seen some interesting price action. So what you can see before you on the screen is we're kind of in this parallel, right? Touch point here, touch point here, touch point here, broke through it, never confirmed below, rallied up, retested it. And then you can see what we did here was we broke out kind of at this downward sloping trend line. And if you look at today's price action, right, we went up, touched here, which kind of forms now this descending wedge on the daily chart here. And I love this. I love this pattern because once we break out of this, we have clear sailing, I think, to the median line and beyond. And we'll look at the price projection from the breakout of this wedge in just a second. But you can see a couple things are happening with today's price action. And let me zoom in just to get a little bit more granular on the price action because we're forming, I don't want to call it a bottoming tail. It's a pseudo bottoming tail, right? Because it doesn't fit the criteria precisely. But what you can see is it came down, it retraced to the bottom end of this parallel today, and also retested this downsloping trend line. And I'm just going to remove this so you can see this kiss a little bit better. But you can see how we responded to the bottom end of the parallel today. We closed out right here, right? So we have this pseudo kind of bottoming tail. So my projection is, especially with the markets doing what they're doing, and continuing to go up on the SPY and the QQQ, I think there's a good chance that we're going to move to the top end of this descending wedge, which will give us a nice move from about 34, right, where we closed today, 33.68-ish, up to, I mean, at least 36.47, right? That's a 10% gain. Even if we were to reject and sell off from here, I think we're going to have a nice 10% gain on this stock. Based on just the price action and all of the technicals I just kind of walked you through. And then once we get a breakout of this wedge, you can see what that would yield us, and that could be a pretty decent move, with the measured move being, depending on where we break out, like I said, that could take us as high as about 47, right? And if we look at the parallel, or sorry, we look at the fib on it, that would align right past the 0.618 and 65, right under the 0.75, 0.786. So that's a good, nice, healthy target. First target obviously would be on a breakout of that wedge. I think our first target would be the 0.382 fib, which puts us right at about 38.84. Then the next target would be that 0.50 fib, then the median line, and then the golden pocket, right? So pretty nice stuff there on DKNG. So hopefully you guys saw value in this analysis. Again, if you'd like to see any ticker symbols or like me to review any, do any technical analysis on your ticker symbol, just comment in the comments below. If you like this video, definitely smash that like and subscribe to the channel for more analysis like this. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we appreciate you, and we'll see you back soon. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye now.